a WikiVidi documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Nagaland Legislative Assembly Election, 2018. The Nagaland Legislative Assembly Election, 2018 was held on the 27th of February 2018 in 59 out of 60 constituencies of the Legislative Assembly of Nagaland. The scheduled election in Northern Angami II constituency did not take place as only incumbent MLA Neiphiu Rio was nominated and was therefore declared elected unopposed. The counting of votes took place on 3 March 2018. Background: the tenure of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly ends on 13 March 2018. On the 22nd of January 2018, former MKL Chizzy joined the BJP along with 12 other leaders and former lawmakers, including former independent legislator Jacobs Himomi. At an event in Dimpur, 11 parties issued a statement calling for the postponement of the polls. The BJP-led National Democratic Alliance and the ruling Naga People's Front dissolved their electoral alliance prior to the election. The BJP instead chose to form an alliance with the newly formed Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party, led by former SM Neiphiu Rio. Result: 9 parties registered to contest the election, as well as a further 11 independent candidates. Lok Sabha MP and former Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio of the Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party was declared elected uncontested in the Northern Angami II constituency after no other candidate was nominated against him. Brought to you by WikiVidi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?